Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance hassles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into something that might have happened to you, or will soon. Activating or reactivating an expired ATM card. With 2025 just around the corner, banks are updating their systems, so let's make sure you're not left scrambling. First off, why does this matter? An expired card means no transactions, no cash withdrawals, and potentially a headache if you're in a pinch. But don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step, and it'll take just a few minutes. Step 1. Check your card's expiration date. Flip it over. It's usually printed on the front or back. If it's past the date, like December 2024 for a 2025 renewal, you're good to go. Next, gather your details. Your card number, account information, and some ID, just in case. Step 2. Log into your bank's mobile app or website. Most banks, like Chase or Bank of America, have made this super easy in 2025. Look for the Card Services or Manage Cards section. Select the option to activate or reactivate your card. You'll probably need to enter a one-time PIN sent to your phone or email for security. Step 3. If the app isn't working for you, head to an ATM. Insert your card and follow the on-screen prompts. Many ATMs now have a Reactivate card feature. It's quick, but make sure you're at your bank's ATM to avoid fees. For older cards, you might need to visit a branch. Bring your ID, and a teller can handle it on the spot. Step 4. Verify your identity. Banks are big on security these days, so expect questions about your account or a quick video call. Once verified, your card should be activated almost immediately. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks when accessing your bank's app, and if you run into issues, call customer service right away. They're there to help. Oh, and double check that your contact info is up to date in your account settings. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your ATM card up and running in no time. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.